Hey, what's up guys, this is Kev here from Noise, and Samsung's Galaxy S9 will be launched on the 25th of February. It is going to be a powerful smartphone and we know almost everything about the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. In this video, let's talk about the final specifications of the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. For those who are looking for a big change from the Galaxy S8 to the S9, you'll have to wait one more year. This is not a major overhaul like the Samsung Galaxy S7 to the S8. From the S8 to the S9, you'll get some tweaks and some performance improvements. The display on the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus would be the same of the Galaxy S8 and the S8 Plus, a Quad HD Plus display with an aspect ratio of 18.5:9. It'll be a good display like the Galaxy S8, but there'll be no changes. There are rumors that there could be a coating on the display which would actually be resistant to fingerprints. Now let's talk about specifications. The Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus will be having the Snapdragon 845 or the Exynos 9810. These chipsets are 30% faster than the predecessors, and that is a great incremental update. It will be having 6GB of RAM such as the Galaxy Note 8, and the storage options will be the same. A new and better fingerprint scanner placement is coming for sure. Yes, the fingerprint scanner will be placed at the center on the back. Now let's talk about cameras. Rumors say that the Galaxy S9 will be having a single camera, but the Galaxy S9 Plus will be having a dual camera setup. And this will be a powerful camera because Samsung has been saying that the camera has been reimagined. And yes, I think it will be a great camera. S8 and S8 Plus or the Note 8 had great cameras. So I expect a beautiful camera on the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus as well. And yes, facial recognition would be improved a lot on the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus with 3D facial mapping like on the iPhone 10. Rumors also suggest that the iris scanner could be improved a lot on the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. And a 3500 mAh of battery is expected on the Galaxy S9. Some general specifications such as water resistance and stereo speakers will also be present on the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. Now let's come to the price. The price of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus would be from $900 to $1100. This is the expected price for the Galaxy S9. And I think it'll be a great performer and when compared to the last year devices. And it'll also be a direct competition with the iPhone 10 as well. So guys, these were the final specifications of the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. These will be great devices, but if you recently got a Galaxy S8, I don't think there's a need to upgrade. But let's see what Samsung has in the store on 25th of February. That's all we had to say in this video. Thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you loved it. My name's KF, you're watching Noise Tech, and we're signing out.